Okay, so guys, who is with me right now on live? Any problem? Can you hear me? All right. If you can hear me, please do leave a comment. And yeah, I'm just watching today. No trading whatsoever. No trading whatsoever. Okay, we have 3 people watching right now with us, and there is live chat as well, guys. Yeah, you can chat here, share your whatever you want to share, your chart analysis, whatever it is. Just post it here if you want to. Okay, as you can see, my PNL is literally today I am minus $1,366.41 on my live account, and I am minus $890 on my demo account. Yeah, today I just have been I don't know, I just took the trades without thinking and no analysis, no plan for the trade, and yeah, it turned out to be wrong trades. Had I given some time to my trades, and they would have been good trades. Let's see. I entered right here, if you can see. Let's do this. So I entered right here, and all of a sudden it fell, and I got out right here. It went further down, but then look at it. Next 20 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, it just kept climbing and climbing to morning highest point, $7. So if I did give this trade a little time, yes, I would have made probably $2,000 profit on it. But again, if we know where the market would be heading, we would be geniuses. Yeah, we would be making millions. Yeah, we are not. And then again, look at it. I entered here really at the top because this was on demo though. This was not on real. This was on real when I lost quite a bit. Yeah, about $900 on this one here, this trade. And this one was demo. Yeah, both right at the top, sold here. Both again, added some more, sold here for a little bit profit, $120. And then bought here again, but then it continued falling. And I sold it right here. So yeah, bad trades today, honestly. I'm not happy at all. Bad trades today, but hey, we learn. We learn from it. The reason I did not enter right here first thing in the morning was I missed it. My scanner was halted and I didn't really see this candle. Usually, because this is first 5-minute candle, and look at this, in 5 minutes it climbed up here to right on 7. I usually able to catch it here on 4:02, 4:03 a.m. EST, but this time as my scanner halted, I don't know what happened, it can happen, and I missed it. And then FOMO kicked in right here. I thought it would be reversal because it pulled back. Usually it does reverse from here because it was above moving average. It never did. So yeah, today red day. I'm not taking any more trades because emotionally I'm drained. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. So yeah, tell me in chat, what do you guys think? Have you taken any trades today? And if you have you been profitable? What's your P&L? Did you make anything or not? And especially for those who have joined me in 402 Club, are you watching? If you are watching and you took the trade, what was the outcome of that trade? Please do let me know in the comment below. Yeah, do leave comment. Don't be shy. Okay, if you don't leave a comment, I wouldn't know whether my message is going to you or not, whether you're listening or not, or is it just you have opened it in a browser somewhere and left it alone. So I would appreciate if you leave a comment. Oh yeah, let's talk about the another trade I took. So here it is. Once again, if you look at it, my trade very at the peak of it, yeah. I thought it's gonna make a higher high because it was above the moving average, but wow, this candle, red candle, can you see it was just free fall. I mean, it didn't even give me any chance to sell. So again, same mistake again. It fell all of a sudden. I sold it here, and guess what happened? Next 15-20 minutes, all it did is climb up and made a new high. So yeah, today not very happy. Both trades, probably I should have given a bit of time, but because this drop from here from 565 to all the way $5, that's what, 65 cents drop. My hand got weak, and I just came out of it. I thought maybe it's gonna make its way down to somewhere here around this region, for below $4 or 450. So I sold it. Yes, again, it's all about minimizing the risk. Yes, I lost $1,300 today. It could have been bigger loss. I could have made more money if it was another stock, but you don't know. You don't know what's coming. So for that reason, you just, as soon as your stop loss hits, you come out. Yeah. Okay, so few people have left some comments. Let's read them. Who else is watching? Please do mention your name and where you're watching from. There are about 6-7 people watching us. right now. More than enough. I wasn't expecting these. I know there are about 15, 20 people in our private group, but yeah, I'm sure people are just out and about and doing their own things. Yeah, so these are my trades, guys. If you have taken any trade, please do share your trades. Market is open now. Let's see the action. I'm not going to take any trade. Maybe on demo, yes, but no, I won't take any trade today. Yeah, my portfolio is heavily red because we all know what happened past 3 4 weeks. My investing portfolio is red heavily. So yeah, I average it down. Let's see what happens. Good luck, everyone. If you're taking a trade, please do share your trades in the chat below. And if this is first time you are watching this live stream, please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you get notifications. Yeah. There's not enough momentum today in market, honestly. So that's why I'm just staying away from market today, just watching the action, sitting back. You don't have to take every trade what comes your way. Yeah, this looks good. I'm not taking a trade, just watching at the moment. This looks good. I think it's gonna go 7 beyond 7. Yeah. You see, pre-market highest was 684. That's where it's struggling. Yeah, it can make its way higher. Looks like it has halted. Yeah, trading paused on this one. long. This can be big, guys. ENTX could be big today. Yeah. That's halted. Volume will come on this one, probably NLSP. These are two stocks gapping up. Pre-market high is 684 on this one. Looks like it's gonna get some momentum now. Yeah. Oh, it's struggling big time. Around these levels is struggling. Oh. And this stock I could have quoted here somewhere, but again, when you're having a bad day, you're having a bad day. You miss opportunities, and we did today. We did miss opportunities, so yeah, it's fine. One of those days. I'm just sitting and watching the action. I'm not trading right now. If you are taking a trade, be careful. Just do your due diligence and do not ever follow me blindly. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a legal advisor. This live stream is just for an entertainment purpose, nothing more than that. Maybe we can learn from each other here, but yeah, don't follow me blindly, please. Okay, yeah, this could be big today. ENTX, probably another 2 minutes before it's resumed. Usually the halt lasts probably 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the, like how volatile the stock is at that moment. So yeah. This for sure has, NLSP has lots of opportunity to scalp quick profit for 20 to 50 cents. If anybody likes, always buy off the moving average or any pullback. Yeah. So you should always be prepared for this candle, red candle. That's why A hard stop loss is better in momentum trading. You must have a stop loss. If you don't, you can get burned pretty quickly. Sometimes I usually don't have a hard stop loss. Reason being that every time stock falls like this, it always climbs back, especially at just after the market open. But you never know. It might just keep falling, and then your loss will be just getting bigger and bigger. And it's tough to take losses. You have to be brave to just accept it and just get out of it as soon as possible before it gets too late. And most people, most traders, basically, they wait in hope that stock will climb back up. You can get lucky a couple of times, but mostly if stock starts falling and selling off, rarely it comes back up, at least not on that day, and sell-off could continue a couple of days or a week, and then most traders end up holding bags, which is like part of the game, but it's only when you don't accept losses. It is better to take a smaller loss than a bigger loss. Remember that. Just live another day to trade. That is the motto of this day trading thing. If you get burned big and beyond recovery, then it would be extremely difficult to, number one, get emotional power to trade again, and secondly, you will not have funds to trade with. So you should always leave a cushion to give you that breathing space to take a trade, and do not risk all of your money. That one thing I would always say, and especially those who are trading with margin. If you have margin account, use it wisely. It's very easy to get carried away with margin because you see this very attractive figure. Oh, you have $2,000 and your broker is allowing you to buy with $12,000. Yes, you have more buying power, which comes with responsibility. And if you don't use it properly, your account could be wiped out, like literally in a day with one trade. So let's say new traders, they if someone abused the margin, they have only $2,500 their equity, and their buying power is $10,000, and they're tempting that this opportunity is really good, and I will take this opportunity, and they buy with the full margin, let's say $10,000, where their money is only $2,500. So what happens is, for them to be wiped out, the stock only needs to drop 25%. And if it drops 25% to where they purchased it, that's it, they're wiped out. They're gone, because all it needs is that trade to lose $2,500 for them to be wiped out completely from day trading account. So be careful. I usually I don't rely on margins for my day trading, but if you do, use it wisely, please. And I would like some comments if you are watching it, and I would definitely like some comments. Please do share what you're doing. Are you watching the market, or you taking a trade? Have you taken any trade? How is it going for you guys? Okay, it's a long halt. It's probably another 20, 35 seconds before it's resumed. Once again, this could have been the biggest winner today, but I ended up taking loss. I'm okay. Yes, bit down, but I'm okay. It's fine. No, it's 15-minute halt, so probably another 4 minutes to go. But this is looking big. Let's see what happens. See, resumed, and yeah, as expected, it's gonna go big. Yeah, go big. Yeah, it's gonna halt again. Yeah, it's halted again. Okay. And I was talking to my chat members that they have a big news, and it's gonna go up very high. Um, they have phase two positive data, which is really good. Yeah. Now I am feeling even further, even upset that I took loss on this stock. Yeah. But yeah, again, remember, no trader can tell where the stock would head. No one can tell. Imagine if we know what's going to happen with the stock, we would be rich overnight. And this is not a get rich quick scheme. Trading is all about managing your risk. There will always be another opportunity. If not today, tomorrow will be a new opportunity. Market is always here, and it will always be here for you. But whether you be here or not, that's the question. Market has been here for centuries, 2 centuries. Well, will you survive another day to trade? That's the question you need to ask. And if you can survive another day, trust me, there will be another day, another stock, maybe better opportunity. You can make money. And please do let me know if you have taken any trade, whether on demo account or on real account. If you have taken a trade, please do share your story. What happened? Which stock you traded today, and what was the outcome of it? Once again, I'm down, guys, 1366.41 on my real account, and on my demo account, $890 down. It happens, part of the game. Make sure your losses are smaller than your profits, and that is all about. If your losses are smaller than your profits, you will end up green in the end. Just ask yourself a question. Most of you probably don't want to, or want to, but don't care if at this stage you make 10,000 or 5,000 or even 2,000 a day. Most of you maybe want to make only 200, 300 a day. And that is exactly what you should focus on. $200 or $300 a day. That is a paycheck. If you could make in a couple of hours $300, $200, and if it compounds and accumulates, end of the month you will have $4,000 extra to trade with. Remember, it's the most difficult part is to make $200-$300 consistently. It's easy to make 10,000 a day and next day losing 5,000. Okay, and most traders do that, including myself. Most of the time it happens to me, and I'm still learning and getting better at it. But consistency is the most important thing, and consistency will only come with three things. You have a trade plan. That is very important. Yeah, your entry, your exit, your stop loss, how much you're willing to lose to make a certain amount, and your losses are less than your profits. Okay, if you could really discipline those things, trust me, you will be a profitable trader. And I'm not saying profitable trader means you will be making millions. You don't have to make millions straight away. Even if it takes you 2-3 years to get there, it's still fine, because the freedom you will get from trading, you won't get anywhere else. No matter how good your job is or how big the pay is, trading gives you, and investing gives you that freedom anybody wants in life. So just focus on being consistent, managing your trade properly, getting in and getting out is very important. And at what point you get in and at what point you get out is very important. Profit taking, I usually, when my trade goes in my favor, I take profit in 3 stages. I have goals like, I never come out of entire position in one go, because you never know. If a stock is climbing, it can keep climbing. You don't know how far it can go. So for that reason, I don't just sell everything and come out of a trade. I basically sell 25%. For example, if I took a trade here, if I wanted to take a trade, I would have taken a trade here 611. I would have probably sold quarter of my position 650, left 3/4 in, then I would have sold probably here another quarter. Let's say I took 1,000 shares here. I would sell 250 at 650, and then 250 again at 675, and then again I would sell probably at 250 more, and then leave my 250 shares running as far as they can. At least I'm not risking a lot. I have already taken the profit off the table, and that is how I do it, and it works for me most of the time. And yeah, I'm happy. I have grown my account from $25,000 to $250,000. I'm happy. Yes, it's not millions like you see those YouTubers saying that they turned $1,000 into 1 million in a year. I haven't done that. I will get there, yes, but yeah, I'm happy where I am right now. And yeah, it's all about being consistent. Yeah, and I'm sure anybody and everybody can be consistent. It's just self-disciplining. That's all it is, nothing more than that. And accepting the loss. If you can't accept $100 loss, trust me, you will end up with probably $1,000 loss, and that's bad. That's really bad. That's really bad. Okay, trading unpaused, and guess what? As expected, it's paused again. It will be paused again. Okay, this is looking big now. This if it crosses 9, it will be paused. No, it's okay. It's you see, that's why you don't want to get caught around here, because it could go either way. I mean, it's all about risk, how much risk you're willing to take. If you're willing to take risk, do it. It's halted again, guys. Yeah, paused again. Okay, yeah. Can you believe I have taken $900 loss on this one, and I bought it at 685. Yeah. No, actually it was here, right here. 635 I bought it, yeah. 635, and that's $3 each share profit. That should have been $6,000 profit. Hey, it's fine. It is absolutely fine. I had 2,000 shares. That would have given me $3 each share, $6,000 profit. It's fine. It happens. I'm not taking any trade because my hands are weak today. So you get these opportunities almost every day. Don't think that, market will run away. No, it's not going to. It will be here tomorrow. When you come back, you will get opportunities like this again. So don't have FOMO. Just relax, chill, and enjoy the trading. Trading could be overwhelming and it could stress you out as well, but it depends how you handle it. Okay, one of my guy shorted this stock. I said it to him earlier that don't short it. It has a very positive data. It will go big because usually this is short squeeze. Mostly last night, most trader would have shorted it thinking that, it's way too overstressed. If we look at 1 day chart, so last night it closed just over $4. So from literally $1.70. So people would have shorted it last night, and when they came this morning, there you go, the stock was already above $5. So they started covering their position and hence the short squeeze. This happens especially when a stock has a huge catalyst. You must understand, even if it's stretched really high, you need to understand why it has happened. Maybe someone has bought into the stock and not just traded it. So you must understand those things before you just simply short it. Yeah, bad idea. It was shorting the stock. Nudge, I'm sorry for what's happening right now. Yeah, that's why I never short a stock which has a big catalyst. Unless, like today, if it goes to $15 or even 20, by the looks of it, it's looking pretty big. It's looking pretty big. So if you are watching, please hit the thumbs up button. I have only one like on this video, and I don't know why I have only one like. I would appreciate if you could just give me a few likes. Okay, it has lost some momentum. It might come down to 8 before making new high. My order was at 850. I have canceled the order because I have a bad feeling about it. That's where my order was, 850, and it should climb at least $1 from this point. This is just to tell you that why I had order at 850, because the moving average was here, right here, 850, around 850. So it can give you $1 profit easily, if not $1, at least 50 cents. So if you buy, let's say, 1,000 shares, risking 8,500, and you can make $500 within seconds. See, it's gonna go to 950 or around 9. Here you go. So yeah, let's see, for 200 shares, 850 my order, and I canceled it. It's fine. The reason I canceled it, I don't like the movement. I don't like to get caught in a stock which halts every 2 minutes. Now it's looking a bit more stable, but it's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Okay, 6 people watching right now, and I have only 1 thumbs up. Could you please give me 1 more thumbs up? Or 2, at least 6. If 6 people are watching, give me 6 likes. Do I deserve that or not? There you go. My order was perfect. There you go, 850 for 200 shares. I canceled it. It would have triggered right here, and if I was happy with profit, I would have sold it right here. $9.50, $1 easy profit. But I did not. I canceled my order because I don't like the movement. Now looks like it's halting again. No, it's okay. It's doing good. Yeah, okay, I get 5 likes now. Thank you very much, guys, and keep the comments coming, yeah? Do share what's happening, and have you taken any trade? Okay, paused again, way down. See, that's where it gets dangerous. You don't know when it gets paused and where it will be resumed. That is very important. So if you get stuck in a halt, you can get a big surprise, either big profits or big losses. So for new traders, I would recommend avoid these high momentum stocks and go for less volatile stocks where movement will not be as fast as this is, and you will get chance to either take smaller loss or smaller profit. With these, yes, you can make a lot of money, but at the same time you can lose a lot of money, and that's where most of the traders, especially new traders, get wiped out completely. They get excited and they take trade which is beyond their manageable risk. And risk is not only about money, it's all in here. If you see a ticker losing $1,000, you will have a different impact. If let's say you take only 100 shares on this stock, and 100 shares maximum you could lose 850, but if you took 1,000 shares, then you could lose quite a bit. Let's say this stock literally were in 2 days, it went from 151 to all the way to $10. And someone, if they get caught in FOMO and they bought it right here, 1,000 shares, they want to be rich, they want to become rich quick. And guess what happens? You know what happens? If they buy there thinking that it's going to keep climbing and climbing, then obviously there are big guns out there who are taking profits, and you will be holding a bag which you can be holding for months or years probably, and may not never recover, especially you used margin to buy that stock. So trade responsibly, think of your target, and your target should be realistic. It should not be something to get rich quick. There's no such thing as get rich quick. It's all about compound effect and slowly compounding your gains and building, like higher gains. So yeah, be careful with margin accounts, especially people who are using margin. All right, guys, I think it should be it today. I should see you tomorrow. Same time, probably first session would be 4:02 in the morning EST, and then later on it would be around 9 o'clock. If you found this stream helpful, please do give me a like and also share the channel, subscribe it, and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications. You take care and be responsible. Thank you.